Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the basics. Charge the Fastrack watch above half and power it on. Once done, install and open the official Fastrack companion app on your phone and make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled. These let the app detect the watch. In the app, select Add Device and follow the short pairing prompt. Accept any permissions and confirm the passcode shown on the watch. This initial pair creates the connection that allows the phone to set the watch time automatically, so complete it. Once paired, go into the app's device settings to handle time and date. First, confirm the phone's time zone and accurate system time because the app uses that as the source. Then enable automatic time sync or choose time and date settings and tap sync to send the current time to the watch. Make sure sync completes. Watch will briefly show a syncing icon. Wait until it finishes. If the app offers a time zone option, pick the correct one so daylight savings and regional offsets are applied automatically. To finish, check the watch face for the updated time and date. If it looks off, restart the watch and the phone and then rerun the app sync. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth off and on, confirm the app has location and background permissions, then press sync again. These steps clear common blockers. As a final troubleshooting tip, unpair the device, reinstall the companion app, and pair fresh. That eliminates pairing glitches and ensures the phone's accurate time is the one the Fastrack watch uses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.